You got the hiccups. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Say, I don't think that's right. Hold your nose. Close your mouth. I'm trying to get rid of your hiccups. Say, oh. Nope, they not gone. Let me see. Hold your nose. That's not gonna get rid of them either. Just forget it. Just stop.